Welcome to Chennai City Garden. So today we are going to see about flowering plants, especially plants which needs very less maintenance. These are those plants which I am going to suggest today. You can see how colorful this is. So generally what we do is we used to buy plants like different varieties of roses, hibiscus, jasmine. Those plants needs high level of maintenance and high amount of fertilizer, and it needs maintenance throughout the year. But these plants which I am suggesting today needs very less maintenance and very less fertilizer. So first plant which I am suggesting today is, you can see here, this is the plant called butterfly pea flower. In Tamil it is called Sangupu. You can see the flower, it is blue in color. It has lots of medicinal benefits. It has lots of antioxidants, so it can eradicate lots of toxins from our body. The second one is a variety jasmine. It is a kind of a creeper, a climber. It is a vine variety. It smells really good actually, this one. In Tamil it is called Jadi Malli. It needs very less fertilizer. Generally I used to add a handful of vermicompost every month. That's it. It can grow really well. If it is growing in ground, if you have planted it in ground, it does not need much of fertilizers. It can grow automatically. It can absorb the nutrients from the soil. So next one is Portulaca or table rose. This one is really easy to grow. You can just cut it and you can plant it. It will grow automatically. Very less maintenance. There are different varieties of table rose. This one is Periwinkle. You can see here. This one also has lots of health benefits. It can help us to maintain our blood sugar level. And this is anti-cancer. This one is used from the ancient times for cancer treatments and different varieties of treatments. Whole plant is medicinal one, the periwinkle. Periwinkle has different varieties, especially this pink one and the white one. As far as I am concerned, we should use these flowers daily in our day-to-day life. We can make a different kind of tea using these plants. You can see the color. So we can buy these kind of plants, and the seeds are, the price will be very less. And you can plant these flowers in your garden. It will make your garden colorful and the maintenance will be very less. This plant is called eranthemum, false eranthemum. I bought it for just 10 rupees. You can multiply this plant by cutting it. So you can make multiply the plants very easily just through cuttings. The flower will be pink in color as you see here. It does not smell does not smell anything, but the color is so beautiful, and that's the reason I bought this one. This plant changes its color according to the weather. If the weather is too dry, it will automatically turn into red, the plant. So like this, there are lots of plants which we may not know, but we can buy those plants. And the next one is Marigold. Everybody knows about this plant, but this is one of the best companion plant. You can plant it anywhere in your garden. This plant helps in pollination and it attracts more bees and different varieties of insects. The useful insects. And it also repels different kind of bad insects which harms our plants. So this is the best repeller and also the best companion plant, you can say. This one does not need any kind of different kind of fertilizers. You can just add the dried cow dung. So these are the plants I'm suggesting today. You can plant these flowers. So these are the plants I'm suggesting today. You can use these plants in our day-to-day life. These plants has lots of health benefits too. So we can make use of these plants instead of buying high maintenance plants like roses and other big plants. We can try these plants in our garden. these two flowers daily, and most of the plants which I had mentioned today flowers throughout the year. So we will have flowers as well as, I mean, blooming season throughout the year, and we can get the health benefits too. So thank you for watching. If you are having these plants in your garden, please mention it in the comment, and thank you.